Next, let's cut the meat. So remember, when you cut the meat, make sure the thickness is similar to your potato. Now let's put the meat and potato into the sauce. Now you need to make sure that every single meat and the potato have the sauce all over it. So if you have a lid of your container, you can just put it on and shake it. That might be faster. Well, the meat and potato already soaked for 5 to 10 minutes. I think it's flavorful enough. Let's put it into a bowl. Make sure that the skin is at the bottom. And next is the potato right next to it, and another slice of meat, skin at the bottom. This line is ready, and we need to fill both sides of it. So we need it as tight as we can, so when you flip it, it won't collapse. Now it's ready to go to the steam pot. If you don't have a steam pot, you can do it this way. Find a bigger pot and then use a smaller plate, turn it upside down, put it at the bottom of the pot, fill it with water, and don't go over the plate. Next, you want to put the meat, turn the stove on high, cover it, steam it for 30 minutes. While it's cooking, let's talk more about Spring Festival. Spring Festival is for family reunion. That's the time you come back from where you work, back to your family, or at the Chinese New Year day, you will go to visit your other relatives and friends in your hometown. So at that time, you are supposed to bring some New Year gifts. So this gift pack is basically snacks pack. That's what all children dreams about. Even though I'm not a kid anymore, but I still love this so much. Every time when I see this in a grocery store during Spring Festivals, I just want to get one. Let's have a look inside. And another very interesting tradition during Spring Festivals, which kids love the most, happens at the very first morning of the new year. On that morning, kids were supposed to get up early and dress nicely, go to the elders in the family and greeting them and say 新年快乐 means Happy New Year. And then you get this. The red envelopes. Guess what's inside it? Ta-da! It's money. We call it 压岁钱, and you can consider as gift money, lucky money. So now is the upside down part. And now we're gonna flip it over 1, 2, 3. Oh! Yay! And this is your upside down steamed pork belly. This recipe is from my grandma, and this one tastes exactly like what I had when I was a little kid. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned some of the traditions for Chinese New Year, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Now let's take the bowl away.